Apollo Cancer Hospitals is taking innovative steps towards a cancer-free future, in line with the World Health Organization's goal to eliminate cervical cancer by 2030, vaccinating 90% of the girls by age 15. Today, we are launching free vaccinations to girls in orphanages across Hyderabad, ensuring that no one is left behind in this fight for better health. As Dr. Vijay Anand Reddy, Director of Apollo Cancer Center, has so rightly stated that this initiative marks a significant step towards in our fight against cervical cancer. Through thorough vaccination, we aim to protect the future, reduce suffering, and create a better future, healthier tomorrow. At Apollo Cancer Hospitals, we are dedicated to contributing to the global mission of cervical cancer elimination while advocating for the widespread adoption of preventive healthcare practices. Today, we can protect, prevent, and prevail and build a future where cervical cancer is no longer a threat to women's health. I take the privilege to warmly welcome our chief guest, Ms. Meenakshi Chowdhury, a popular actress and the rising star in the Indian cinema industry. She is capturing hearts with a remarkable talent and captivating screen presence and has quickly become one of the most promising heroines in contemporary cinema. May I now welcome our beloved Dr. Vijay Anand Reddy, Director of Apollo Cancer Center. I kindly request, sir, he has an illustrious career for over 30 years in oncology and is marked by profound impact on cancer treatment, research, and patient care. His commitment to excellence, combined with humanitarian efforts, make him a true pioneer. It's my pleasure to welcome you all. May I now request Dr. Vijay Anand Reddy, sir, Director of Apollo Cancer Centers, to kindly welcome the address.
The warmest greetings from Apollo Cancer Hospitals to all of you, especially the girls who have come from various orphanages, my team members, the staff, and my dear patients, of course. Without you, we are not there. Thank you for your trust and for being here today. At the outset, I would like to welcome a tall, talented, beautiful actress who has made a huge impact in a short span in her film career. Besides, you should all know that she is a national badminton player, a national swimmer, and a doctor too, a dental surgeon. Beauty and brains together is a rare commodity. And congratulations for being both the best in you. God bless you. Thank you very much, and I would request all of you to put your hands together to welcome this beautiful young lady, and we bless her to have a wonderful career in her future. We should all know why did we gather today. We all know that tomorrow is going to be World Cancer Day. As a cancer care physicians, it's our duty to create an awareness on cancer, that cancer is preventable, detectable early, and is curable. So these kind of awareness programs would help the society to understand, to not to run away from cancer diagnosis, not to run away from cancer treatment. You should all understand that cancer is very much curable, especially if it is detectable early, and even in late stages we are able to control and give good quality life for a longer period of time. Cancer is going to be the most common diseases in the society, and you should be aware that what are the symptoms and signs that need to be aware of. We are only telling you to be aware and be alert and come to the hospitals whenever you have these kind of problems. Besides that, today we have taken up this opportunity to prevent cancer in a way by giving vaccination. There are only 2 cancers for now which are proven to be prevented by doing vaccination. One is liver cancer and the other one is cervical cancer. So we have taken up this project of doing cervical cancer vaccination, which we have been recommending the government to do free of cost. And the last year, central government has agreed and announced that they are going to do free of cost vaccination to the entire country for the girls between the ages of 9 and 26. but it's going to take time for them to enforce. So we have taken the responsibility to initiate that program in the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad to the underprivileged girls in the orphanages, and also to create an awareness in the society, in the upper strata and the regular strata, to understand the importance of vaccination to protect your young girls from developing cervical cancer. So keeping that in mind, we did this program, and thank you very much for being here, Ms. Meenakshi. Thank you.
Today, we have the honor of hearing inspiring stories from cancer survivors who will share the journeys of strength, resilience, and hope. I now welcome Ms. Sujata to kindly say a few words.
So, thank you so much for calling us here, sir, today. Very happy Cancer Day tomorrow in advance. So, మా అమ్మగారికి 2020 అక్టోబర్ టైంలో cervical cancer diagnosed అయిందండి. So we had lot of we done lot of analysis, and but still we were not convinced with any of the outcomes that we have got. But మేము విజయానంద్ సార్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత విజయానంద్ సార్ that the confidence that he has given us compared to the other people, it was amazing. And మేము చాలా కోవిడ్ టైంలో మేము ఇక్కడ ఉండి ఒక 1.5 month ఇక్కడ ఉండి మేము ఇక్కడ క్యాన్సర్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ మా అమ్మగారికి తీసుకున్నాము. సో మా అమ్మగారు ఇట్స్ లైక్ కోవిడ్ టైంలో వీ హ్యాడ్ టు ట్రావెల్ ఫర్ కీమోస్ అండ్ ఆల్ దాట్. సార్ ఆల్వేస్ గివెన్ రైట్ టైం, రైట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ అడ్వైజెస్, అండ్ ఏ టైంకి అయితే చెప్తారో ఆ టైంకి ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా మేము వచ్చి ట్రీట్మెంట్ తీసుకొని వి గెట్ ఎవ్రీ ఫెసిలిటీస్ వెరీ కన్వీనియంట్లీ హియర్. అండ్ విజయానంద్ సార్ గారు ఎప్పుడు మాకు అడ్వైస్ ఇచ్చింది, hope for the best. మా అమ్మగారి స్టేజ్ వచ్చేసి 3B, which is kind of advanced stage, sir. సో అయినా కూడా hope for the best అని చెప్పేసి సార్ మాకు ఒక ధైర్యాన్ని ఇచ్చి he gave us the treatment, wonderful treatment. And I would definitely recommend everyone. And Apollo is the best, as you all know that one of the best hospitals in India, and as well as in Hyderabad we get the facilities here. And Vijayanand sir being take care of the entire cardiology cancer center. It's amazing. Thank you so much, sir. మా అమ్మగారు ఈరోజు చాలా healthy and fit and fine. It's been 4 years now. We have been doing good. So thank you very much, sir. Vijayanand sir.
నా పేరు పద్మజ అండి, మాది ఒంగోలు, ప్రకాశం డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఒంగోలు అండి. మా తమ్ముడు హైదరాబాద్లో ఉంటే నాకు బ్రెస్ట్ క్యాన్సర్ 2012వ సంవత్సరంలో వస్తే వాడు మొత్తం మీద సెర్చ్ చేసి జూబ్లీ హిల్స్ అపోలో బ్రెస్ట్ క్యాన్సర్కి డాక్టర్ విజయానంద రెడ్డి సార్ దీనికి మంచి డాక్టర్ అని చెప్పి తీసుకొచ్చారండి. నాకు ఆ రోజు నుంచి ఈ రోజుకి వాళ్ళు ప్యూన్ నుంచి డాక్టర్ సార్ వరకు చాలా ప్రేమగా చాలా బాగా రిసీవ్ చేసుకొని బాగా చూశారు. యాక్చువల్లీ నాకు ఇంజెక్షన్ అంటేనే భయం. అట్లాంటిది నేను కీమోస్ ఒక 45 సైకిల్స్ రేడియేషన్ అన్నీ తట్టుకొని ఒక హాస్టల్లో మేడం రజనీ గారు అయితే ఆమెకు తెలిసిన వర్కింగ్ ఉమెన్స్ హాస్టల్లో పెట్టి నన్ను రోజు వచ్చేదాన్ని ఇక్కడికి తీసుకున్నానండి. నేను ఒక్కటే చెప్తానండి, మా ఫాదర్కి కూడా రీసెంట్గా 2 months బ్యాక్ థ్రోట్కి ఏదో వచ్చింది. దానికి ట్రీట్మెంట్కి చాలా మా తమ్ముడికి కొంచెం పలుకుబడి ఉన్నందువల్ల ఫ్రీగా ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఇస్తాము అని చాలా అబ్బాయికి తెలిసిన వాళ్ళందరూ అంటే, కాదు మాకు డాక్టర్ గారు విజయానంద రెడ్డి గారే మాకు ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఇవ్వాలి, ఆయన ఎక్కడున్నా సరే ఇండియాలో ఎక్కడున్నా మేము అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి తీసుకుంటామని వచ్చి ప్రస్తుతం నేను ఆ పని మీద వచ్చానండి. నాకు ఇదైతే తెలియదు. నేను ఎప్పటికీ ఒకటే చెప్తాను, క్యాన్సర్ హాస్పిటల్ అంటే పేరున్నది జూబ్లీ హిల్స్ అపోలో హైదరాబాద్ అండి. డాక్టర్ గారి పేరే చెప్తాను, ఇంకా అంతకన్నా నేనేం చెప్పలేనండి.
Thank you. Very good morning. I should congratulate you and thank you very much for coming along. Vijayanand Reddy garu said so many words. We all echo with all that. I want to add on one more thing. Since we are on the cancer dais, your posture, gesture gives us such a calming and with a beautiful smile other than all your talents. It's very much needed for our cancer patients. I think it's a great occasion. You're promoting our cause of cancer prevention and the breast cancer. And Dr. Shashi is also here. I think it's great to have you here. As we could hear the patient success stories, we could be here for days and days. We've had that many patients on this area to have. But what is important, I think we are, as a team headed by Dr. Vijayanand at the Apollo whole theme of cancer treatment is not just treating a patient and having that holistic care, a personalized care, and the patient should feel they're part of the family. They're part of us and they're running the journey. A lot of our patients are here for years together. We are seeing them growing, having happy lives. That's what the end result, what we want to see, not just giving chemotherapy. I think we are good at that in a personalized, holistic care, keeping the patient intact, and it's our hearts. So I think it's the best thing. And more than anything, I should congratulate Vijayanand sir for giving us all this support. A lot of our patients have been treated for, leukemia. It's a very expensive treatment. They had a total body radiation treatment, and they've been supported with a Cure Foundation. I think that's a great gesture. Thank you very much, sir. I'm not going to take any more time. Thank you so much, Meenakshi.
It's really great to see so many people over here because the emphasis Dr. Vijayanand Reddy sir has laid over here is on patient care and on making sure that the maximum amount of information goes to patients that cancer is curable and it is treatable. And we have seen it not only in regular cancers like lung and thyroid, but also in difficult cancers like both, because sir has helped spread the word of bone cancers, and he has made sure that the Apollo Cancer Institute has specialists who can cure and treat all diseases, and rare tumors can be cured. That is what Dr. Vijayanand Reddy sir has proved by taking the information to public and to making sure that these events reach the general people and they can come here for curing these rare diseases. Thank you so much, sir.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఆయన తెలుగులో మాట్లాడమన్నారు కాబట్టి తెలుగులోనే చెప్తాను. అన్ని విషయాలు చెప్పారు విజయానంద్ గారు, అందరు డాక్టర్లు. ఇక్కడ మేమంతా ఒక పెద్ద టీం, ఆల్మోస్ట్ 30 మంది డాక్టర్లు వేరియస్ స్పెషాలిటీస్లో అందరం చాలా ఎక్సలెంట్ వర్క్ చాలా బాగా చేస్తున్నందువల్ల ఇంత సక్సెస్, ఇంతమంది మాకు పేషెంట్స్, మమ్మల్ని పొగిడేవాళ్ళు కానీ మెచ్చుకునేవాళ్ళు కానీ వాళ్ళు ఆనందపడేవాళ్ళు కానీ అందరూ ఉన్నారు. సో దీనికి మా అపోలో ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఏంటి, విజయానంద్ గారి లీడర్స్ ఏంటి, అందరూ ఉన్నందువల్ల కూడా అంత బాగా జరుగుతుంది. అందరికీ మా ధన్యవాదాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
सो एवरीवन, मुझसे हिंदी के लिए बोला गया तो हिंदी में ही बात करेंगे. बोला ये जाता है कि इस प्रोफेशन में क्या खास है, सिर्फ डॉक्टर्स या डॉक्टर्स के आगे. फिर इस ब्रांच में सबसे खास क्या है, जीते सब हैं औरों के लिए, जीना तब है जब अपने बने गैरों के लिए. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Very good afternoon, everyone. On this opportunity, I would like to congratulate all our team, and in fact, I extend a warm welcome to the dignitaries on the dais and a heartfelt gratitude to all our team here in taking this initiative. Well, as we all know, I would even extend the gratitude and enormous appreciation and a special acknowledgement to all the participants of the vaccination program. Without you, this would not be a success. And our patients who are always quite an inspiration for us to take these kind of leads. And one thing I would like to conclude by saying is that this HPV vaccination is a very important thing, and we need to spread awareness about this, especially among all the strata of the women in the country. And this gives a 95% to 100% protection against the genital warts and cervical cancer. And the global initiative we should be a part of is doing a 90% of all the girls younger than 15 years should be vaccinated with this HPV vaccine by the time they are 15. That is when we get the better responses and long-term protection. So that is what we are here to emphasize upon. And at this outset, I would even like to say that the most important thing what we all know is that prevention is one of the best form of healthcare reform when done in a right way. And today, let us all pledge to take a part of it, be a part of it. And in fact, I thank all the Apollo team, organizers, and everyone who is here, media, press, and everyone. And in fact, the Serum Institute of India, who have been a support to us to take a lead in this vaccination program. And thank you everybody for being a part of this positive and a powerful, impactful initiative. Thank you.
I now request our Chief Guest, Ms. Meenakshi Chowdhury ma'am, to launch the free vaccination program by unveiling the syringe and kindly share a few words. Ma'am, I kindly request you to speak a few words.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండ్ ముందుగా నాకు ఇన్వైట్ చేసినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్స్ ట్రూలీ a matter of pride for me to be standing here for a lot of reasons. First, because it is for a cause that is something that I truly hold extremely close to my heart. Being a woman, on an everyday basis, we women are fighting against so many things. And when it comes to healthcare, I think that is one less thing we should not be worried about ever. And I'm so grateful to have this opportunity today to be here, to be a part of something extremely special. And that is about creating awareness and being a part of doing something such as amazing as this, which is regarding HPV vaccination that we are here today. In women, I think the two most common cancers that we see in today's time, one is breast cancer and the other is cervical cancer, if I'm not wrong, with the maximum cases being seen every year. And most of it can actually be cured. But because a lot of people do not have awareness regarding it or the means regarding which it can be treated is something that is holding them back to have a healthy lifestyle. So I think that is where Apollo and Cure Foundation and a wonderful team of doctors that is here today is here at your service to be able to give you that life and that lifestyle of health. And I come from a medical background myself, and I think it is a matter of pride to say that I know how hard it is to be able to work towards and fight against something which is created as a matter of taboo in the society. So I think it's time we break it one step and one day at a time, and that starts by creating awareness. And I think as sir very wonderfully said about how we can protect, prevent and prevail, which is basically written here and is the motto as well. And that happens when we come together and create awareness. So firstly, I would like to thank Dr. Vijayanand Reddy sir for having me here, and the esteemed doctors that are here who are working day and night to be able to do that and to make this mission that you have taken forward a success. I am so happy and so fortunate to be able to see, and when sir was telling me certain stories of cancer patients and how they came out of it, and it's truly inspiring to see people fight against cancer and come out happy, healthy. And we just had two patient survivors, cancer survivors, who told their story. It truly means a lot. Thank you so much for sharing your stories. And I really hope that with this initiative that that sir has taken, and Cure Foundation and Apollo Institute has taken, it really helps us come one step closer to curing cancer and not having to worry about this one thing ever. So I'm truly, truly grateful. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you to all the doctors who are working endlessly to make this happen. Naku last, I forgot to mention one of the most important parts, and that is media వాళ్ళందరికీ thank you so much. ఎందుకంటే we may have all the knowledge and we may be able to put out, but it is of no use if we do not have media and you all to be able to spread it to as many areas and parts as possible. So thank you for being here today, and I hope that with this we're able to cross this message of awareness to as many places and as many borders as we can. So thank you for being here today. It truly means a lot.
Very well said. So media is very, very important. We may be having 200, 300 people here, but the media will show this message to millions of people outside. That's very, very important to carry this message that cancer is preventable, detectable, and we can prevail what we do. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks a lot.
Subscribe to the channel and download the Politikos app from the links in the description.